This is our house. This is our house.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we are giving you guys an apartment tour. All of our decorations are antiques and expensive.
They were all thousands of dollars. One of a kind. So basically we're going to try to show you our little tiny apartment and make it into a whole video and it not be boring and too ratchet, but you know us.
And welcome to our humble abode. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the living room. This right here is our lovely TV stand. We got it from the side of the road. This is our TV we got from Goodwill for $20. There's no sound, so it's more like just for decoration.
This is our fancy table from the 99-cent store. We call it the old 3-leg because who needs 4 legs for a table? Not us.
This is our couch from Goodwill. It was $40, I think.
Ooh.
Very comfy, very nice.
Oh, you might recognize this rug. It's actually our backdrop. This is our dining room.
Woo! We're gonna sit at the table.
Yeah, come sit with us at the table.
The chair broke, sorry.
Anyways. Wait, here's the sauce. Thank you.
Oh, ketchup.
Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys what we have in our drawers. The drawer of all the free stuff. This is where we keep our ketchup. We have one from Jack in the Box, In-N-Out, and Burger King. Stuff from like hotels and whatnot. You already know how we do.
Okay, so we were given this fridge. It was given in like 10 different pieces, all torn apart. They gave it to us as if we were Frigidairs and knew how to put it together. This huge fridge right here. That isn't getting used. We have is this one right here.
Ooh, water and butter. And yes, all the water is half drank. Right over here is our silverware drawer. We've got 2 knives, 1 spoon, and a couple forks. And shout out to Walmart for these free knives so we don't have to use pocket knives anymore.
And alright guys, I'm going to be 100% honest with you. We didn't realize we even had a dishwasher until we started taking videos of the kitchen. So this is our dishwasher, never used. First time being open.
Wow.
Brand it. I saw a lizard.
This is our sink. This is how it works. Or Alright, so this is my bedroom. Yeah, I mean, it looks like every other basic girl. So, doesn't this look kind of like fancy? Like a seat, but you can't really sit on it. Surprise! A inflatable thingy McBob and a finger McJig. But don't act like it's expensive because it was only cheap. Oh God, I didn't even see you there. Yeah, you caught me. This is where I usually meditate, clear my head. Nope, it's still not clear. All right, that's all in my closet. This is my ceiling.
Alright guys, this is my bed. It's on the floor. I don't have a bed frame, but it's okay. It's just a little mattress on the floor. Alright guys, and this is my big walk-in closet. That's it.
We're about to dance. Oh God! Oh God! This is my bathroom. And this is my shower. Alright guys, let's go outside. This is our balcony. But anyways, we're sweating.
This is our apartment.
We're gonna go get in the pool. This is our pool.
Alright guys, you know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and comment below.
Alright, we're getting in the hot tub. See you guys in the next video.
Wait, did you stop that one?
Oh no, probably not.